Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade chewy granola bars. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease an 8 or 9-inch square pan and set it aside for now. Then place the rolled oats onto a sheet pan. Shake the pan to level them out. Then place them into the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes until they're toasted. Make sure the oven is preheated completely. Stir them well halfway through to let them toast evenly. And when they're done, remove them from the oven and place them into a large bowl. And you can add additional add-ins to this too if you like. You can use nuts, raisins, or chocolate chips. If you're using chocolate chips, which is what I'm doing, don't add them in just yet because they will melt in the hot mixture that will be added later. Then in a small saucepan, add in the canola or vegetable oil, honey, brown sugar, and salt, and place the saucepan onto the stove over medium heat. Stir the ingredients until they're well combined, and heat it until the mixture boils. When it's boiling, remove it from the heat and pour it into the bowl with the toasted oats. And stir them until they're well combined. Then immediately pour it into the prepared pan, working quickly before the mixture cools. And spread it out until it's even. Then sprinkle chocolate chips on top if you're using them. Then place it into the fridge until they're cold and firm. Then remove them from the fridge. Remove them from the pan. Place them onto a cutting board and cut it up into bars. And that's how to make homemade chewy granola bars. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.